Why is SoftStartRV better than a HardStart kit? The answer is a HardStart kit is simply a start capacitor and a thermal device that temporarily connects it to the compressor only for a short time during a startup. A PTCR is what it's called. During startup, the HardStart diverts more current to the compressor start winding to help boost the torque to assist in starting. This actually results in more current being sent to the compressor, perhaps for a slightly shortened duration of time. A hard start, therefore, typically does not make a compressor that wouldn't start on a particular generator suddenly start working, unless the generator and air conditioner combination were marginally close to working to begin with. That is why some people do report success when using a hard start kit. In most cases, though, these results are a marginal improvement at best and are not always reliable, especially when the generator also has auxiliary loads before the compressor startup actually occurs. SoftStartRV, on the other hand, is a sophisticated, controlled soft start device that dramatically reduces the total startup current drawn by the compressor. This has a direct improvement on the generator's ability to actually start up the compressor. No hard start kit comes close to doing any of this.